Want to create engaging learning experiences that allow your students to learn by doing? ViewPoint is a platform for running customized hands-on role-playing simulations. Developed at the University of Michigan, it's been used by institutions like Stanford, Boston College, and Georgetown. ViewPoint promotes engaged learning by immersing students in a scenario. In ViewPoint simulations, participants each take on a role within the simulation and then communicate and collaborate with each other through events, messages, social media style posts, and surveys. The decisions participants make collectively as they progress through the scenario determine what happens next. They can use the dynamic calendar to visualize the implications of their decisions in the simulation ahead of time. As a facilitator, you can implement pre-existing simulations and case studies in ViewPoint or design a brand new simulation. As you design your simulation, create branching decision points to enable multiple possible outcomes and mimic real-world situations. You can script surprising moments into the simulation by scheduling the release of new information at specific times during the simulation. This forces participants to change their strategies on the fly, just like in real life. ViewPoint's easy-to-use interface allows you to organize all the information you want to share with participants ahead of time. You can also organize participants into groups to provide structure within the simulation experience. Participants say that ViewPoint makes learning more effective, exciting, and immersive. They also say it's easy to use. Facilitators love that ViewPoint brings energy to the learning experience and that it enables engaged learning in both in-person and remote settings. ViewPoint can help you bring learning to life for your students. To start using ViewPoint, email us at viewpoint@umich.edu.